and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another video. Finally the day have arrived when I'm gonna review D20. I have been waiting for this model since a month and it would be a killer 2.1 speaker. Sony is known for the sound quality. Let's just go ahead and unbox and see what we get inside, and then we'll do the sound demonstration and then my feedback. Let's start the unboxing. So this is a power adapter which you get. So Sony basically use a power adapter to plug the speakers. So Sony does give you a battery to put that on the remote, and you do get an aux cable. And this is a remote. The remote is same as D40 or D100, so nothing new about the remote, but it looks quite cute and beautiful. So let's check out the speaker.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so happy.
So that was a quick sound demonstration for a Sony D100, and I must say I loved it. The price in Indian market is 6,500, which is on the highest side. Again, brand like Sony, you really have to spend more, and I'm not complaining about the price here. If you don't have budget issue, go for it. It's a good 2.1 speaker. It has a thumping bass, has clarity. Yes, it has clarity, and the tweeter is good. So mids are good, low, high, they both are fabulous. Also the bass is perfect. And talking about the connectivity, it does have a Bluetooth, and so you can connect it via Bluetooth. You can also connect those speakers with your computer, laptop or LED TV. Now during the sound test, you have noticed I have also played this same speaker on the floor, because on my previous video I have already mentioned that you always put the subwoofer on your floor before you play it, because that will give you a really thumping bass. Earlier I have kept this subwoofer on the table and I played few music. I was not really impressed with this model, as I've heard that this model is quite fabulous. So I was really surprised with the sound clarity and basically the bass. So I placed the subwoofer on the floor and I played the same music, and trust me, it was like boom. The bass was literally on fire and I was able to listen each and every beat. So definitely always play subwoofer after placing that on the floor. It gives you more accurate bass And talking about the competitor speaker, FND T200X will be definitely a big competitor of this model, because that one is like just for 5,000 and you have to pay 1,500 rupees more for the same output. I will also be making a comparison video between FND T200X and this D20 model, so do subscribe and hit the notification button so you can know once I upload that video. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Talking about the price, 6,500 is a bit higher side. However, if in case your budget allows you to spend 6,500, this would be a fabulous brand, because Sony at the end they really gives you a great sound output. Naam hi kafi hai. Talking about the warranty, Sony offers you 1 year warranty. However, that is not on site. You have to carry the speaker at the nearest service center to get it fixed. Talking about the connectivity, it has Bluetooth, it can be connected via LED, it can be connected via laptop, and yes, it does have a Bluetooth connectivity. Unfortunately, NFC is missing on Sony D20. The cabinet is wooden. This is a metal grill with a Sony logo over here. You plug your USB pen drive here to play music, and this is plastic, although same as D100 speakers. This is metal grill with a Sony logo over here, and some buttons like power off on, function key, next and previous, that keys, play pause button. You also get a beautiful remote to operate the system. That's about the video. If you have any questions related to this speaker or any speaker, do let me know in the comments and I would love to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. And thank you for watching the video till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. And also let me show you a close look of this speaker, how it looks. Does have an option to hang those speaker, as it has got those hole to hang those speaker on the wall. You get an adapter here which is 18 volt, and this is how you power the speakers with the adapter. That's about the video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.